The martyrdom of Jesus' disciples. The 12 disciples of Jesus were not just followers, they were the foundation of the early Christian church, spreading his teachings across the world. Their unwavering faith led them down paths of danger and sacrifice, ultimately facing martyrdom for the message they carried. Peter, the leader of the apostles, met his end in Rome under Emperor Nero's reign. Tradition holds that he chose to be crucified upside down, feeling unworthy to die in the same manner as his Lord. Andrew, the brother of Peter, was crucified on an egg-shaped cross in Patras, Greece. Even in his suffering, he continued to preach for 2 days, never wavering in his faith. James, the son of Zebedee, was the first apostle to be martyred. Executed by the sword in Jerusalem on the orders of King Herod Agrippa, he became the earliest martyr among the disciples. John, the beloved disciple, was the only one to die of natural causes. However, he endured much, including exile to the island of Patmos, where he received the visions recorded in the book of Revelation. Philip was martyred in Hierapolis, Turkey, where he was either crucified or stoned for his unwavering testimony of Christ, remaining steadfast in his mission until the end. Bartholomew took the gospel as far as India and Armenia, where he faced a brutal martyrdom, flayed alive and then beheaded for his faith. Matthew, the former tax collector turned apostle, was martyred in Ethiopia. He was either stabbed or burned to death for his missionary efforts in spreading the gospel. Thomas, often remembered as Doubting Thomas, took the gospel to India, where he met his martyrdom by being pierced with spears. James the Less, likely the first bishop of Jerusalem, was martyred after being thrown from the temple pinnacle and then beaten to death. Thaddeus, also known as Jude, was martyred in Persia, where he faced either crucifixion or death by clubbing, remaining resolute in his faith. Simon the Zealot preached the gospel in Persia and met a horrific death by being sawn in half, a testament to his unyielding commitment to spreading the Christian message. Judas Iscariot, who betrayed Jesus, ended his life in despair after his betrayal. His tragic death serves as a sobering reminder of the consequences of his actions. These disciples, through their sacrifices, spread a message of love, hope, and salvation across the world. Their legacy lives on in the Christian faith they helped establish, a faith that endures through the centuries.